Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your TI-Nspire CX II calculator to graph a polynomial function and analyze the graph to find its zeros and local minimum and maximum values. TI-Nspire CX II is an AP-approved calculator and you can use it in your AP Precalculus exam. And this is the calculator that I personally use in the AP Precalculus course that I teach. If you have another calculator, make sure that your calculator is an AP-approved calculator. In this video, I'm using the computer version of the calculator, but in the left panel, you can see the handheld version and you can follow along on your calculator to find the same answers. Okay, now let's get to work. First step is to press New Document in the home page, and then to add new graphs, press 2. And then type in the function. Here we are going to graph a polynomial degree 3, so that's going to be x to the power 3 minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 1, and then press enter on your calculator. Now as you can see, the graph is shown, but I can't see the local minimum of the graph, so I need to adjust the window. Press menu and then window. And then there are a lot of options here, but we want to adjust the window by giving it specific values for x min and max, same as for y min and max. So for x min, I'm going to go with -5. Maximum value is going to be 5. In the y minimum, we're going to have -10, and maximum y value is going to be 4. And then press enter. Now, as you can see, the graph is shown properly in the window. We can see the local min and max and the 3 zeros. The next is to find the zeros. To find zeros, press menu and then 6, which is analyze graph, and then choose 1, which is 0, to find 0 or root of the function, and then select the interval where the 0 is in it. So I'm looking at the leftmost 0. Selecting the lower bound and then upper bound. Now 0 is within this and I have the answer. You can move it around to see it, and that's -1.576. If you're not seeing all decimal places, you need to adjust the settings in your calculator by pressing menu and then go to settings and select the number of float that you need. Now we're seeing 4 digits. That's good enough, but if your setting is showing 3, that means you're gonna see -1.58. And in the AP exam, the default number of decimal places that you need to show is 3 decimal places. So make sure to adjust it to see all 3 decimal places. So I'm gonna go back to float 4. All right, now you can repeat the same thing for the next 2 zeros. Actually, you know what? Do it as a practice. And once you find the other zeros, type them in the comment section for me. The next thing that we want to find is the local min or max values. I'm going to do that for the local min. Again, press menu and then analyze graph and then select minimum. And then as you can see, the local min is somewhere here, and we can select lower bound and upper bound in a way that local min falls within that range. And the answer is 2.12. That's the x value of the local min. And the value is -9.061. That's it. We learned how to graph the function. We'll learn how to adjust the window to see all the zeros and local min and max values. We found the zeros and local minimum. And next is your turn to find the other 2 zeros and local max. Once you find them, type them in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.